My hair looks nice and healthy, as you can see at the moment. Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video we are going to learn how to make clove oil and how to apply it correctly and when to apply it for it to work on your hair. So these are the products we are going to need for this oil. So we are going to need clove, extra virgin oil, ginger, hibiscus leaf, and mint essential oil. So I'm going to put them all together in the hand blender. Then I'm going to mix them all together, and also in this video we're going to learn the importance of all this product we've used, and also we are going to learn when to apply this product so that it can work effectively on your hair. So stick around until the end of this video so that you can learn when to use it correctly for your hair growth. So I'm just going to blend them around. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do so by hitting the subscribe button below so that you can join the family. So this is the product. I've just put it in the saucepan and I'm going to let it cook for the next 15 minutes, and I will let it simmer. So I let it sit for another 15 minutes after I remove it from cooking. So I'm going to shave it. I'm using this shaver actually and my gravy bowl. So I'm just going to shave the oil out. And this is how it looks like. So I'm trying to get all of it out. I'm going to get, because this oil is very good for your hair. Then I'm going to add peppermint oil, or you can use rosemary oil or any other essential oil you use. Then our oil is ready. Let's go straight to applying it on our hair. So first of all, you want to use a wide tooth comb on your hair or your hands to detangle your hair. The reason why you're using your hands or a wide tooth comb in your hair is to avoid lace breakage. Then we are going to go straight to spraying water in my hair. Water is the main moisture to the hair. Then I'm going to detangle my hair with the water again. Then I'm going to go straight to applying this oil in my scalp. I'm going to take this oil and apply it on my scalp. Make sure this oil is not hot before you put it on your scalp, otherwise you're going to burn yourself. So let's go straight to the importance of using cloves on your hair. So it has high level of antioxidants and nutrients that help hair to grow and also help to strengthen hair. It also promotes hair growth when applied to the scalp regularly. So apply this product 2 or 3 times a week, and it also a natural conditioner and helps to lock in moisture to the hair, and it can also be used as effective treatment for dull and dry hair. And also the presence of antifungals in it helps with dandruff relief. So after giving birth some few months ago, I lost my hairline. So this was my before using this oil and this was after using this oil. You can actually spot the difference. And also we used ginger. So what is the importance of ginger to the hair? It contributes to the cleanliness of the scalp, and also it enhances healthier hair growth by stimulating and improving circulation out to the scalp. We also use extra virgin olive oil, which actually helps to nourish hair deeply, leaving it soft and very shiny. We also use peppermint oil, essential oil. You can actually use rosemary oil also. So peppermint essential oil stimulate blood circulation to the skin, hence may help to trigger hair growth. So you can actually spot the difference of where I've applied the oil and where I haven't applied the oil on my hair. So let's go again. So first of all, you want to detangle your hair with your hands or with a wide tooth comb, and you're going to spray your hair with water. You just make it a little bit damp, not that much overly watery. Then you want to make sure that the water actually gets into the hair very well. Then you want to detangle your hair again. Then you're going to take the oil and apply it on the scalp. You first want to apply it on the scalp. And you want to massage your scalp. Massaging your scalp helps with the circulation of blood in your hair, hence promote hair growth. Then you want to take this oil and start applying it at the end of your hair and also all over the hair, so that the hair gets the importance of it. So I'm going to do this all over my hair. And also we use hibiscus leaves. So what is the importance of using hibiscus leaves? It makes your hair looks healthy and prevent premature graying. So I'm just going to apply this oil all over my scalp so that my hair and my scalp get the good benefits of it. Then I'm going to take this heat cup, and you can sleep with this oil or you can wash it out after some few hours or 3 or 4 hours. And also I sat on heat cup for 20 minutes just to help this product penetrate more on my hair and also on my scalp. And for some reason I ended up sleeping with it also. So this was the next day, and this is how my hair looks like. It looks so actually a little very nice and very soft. So I was just filling it around to make sure I had it all over. And this is the back of my hair. It looks so nice. So what is the right time to use this product? This product, you can use it 2 or 3 times a week, and you can use it after shower. After shower, the pores are open and the product will penetrate well into your hair strands. So thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you find it helpful. If you have any question or you like to try this product, try it and let me know how it goes with you, and let me know what type of videos you like to see on my channel. Thank you so much. Till next time, bye bye.